with regards of the Amianan Tourism
Yes, sir.
Village, talaga nag-start na siya. So, nung December 2015 December 15, 2018, nag-groundbreaking kami for the
Yes,
phase 1 na it's the commercial building, na two-story commercial building. Pumunta mismo dito si Undersecretary Martin Dino, na siya po yung in charge ng Barangay Affairs ng DILG.
Yes, sir.
So, siya yung pumunta dito, nag-groundbreaking kami for the first phase 1. And then, ongoing na to dahil masaya kami dahil we were able to get 7-Eleven to rent sa building na to.
Okay.
So, nag-start na siya and then marami na rin nag-i-inquire regarding about the rental fee niya. Kasi there will be actually si 7-Eleven kinuha nila ng about 120 square meters.
Yes, sir.
So, may available pa na mga 8 na stalls doon. So, marami na nag-i-inquire. So, at least naman, itong Amianan Tourism Village na project ng barangay, malaking tulong sa tourism industry ng not only Barangay Poblacion but the intermunicipality of Burgos
and nearby towns.
And the whole province.
Yes,
so,
yes, sir.
Yun na nga, we know very much that Burgos is siya sa pinaka most visited place
when sir?
The province of Ilocos Norte. Kasi last Holy Week,
yes, sir.
ang dami na naman turista na dumagsada sa because of the Kapurpurawan, because of the lighthouse, the wind farm. So, malaking bagay itong proyekto ng Barangay Poblacion. And yung request namin ng DOT at TIESA, na-approve na rin yun. They will be giving 27 million for the 27 million for the site development of the Amianan Tourism Village. Tapos meron din it includes the amphitheater, the organic farm, syempre yung fish pond, yung tsaka mga iba pa. Tapos meron din siyang cultural activity center na may papatayo doon. So at yung mga additional amenities like the villas, which will be a two-story building na may mga rooms din to accommodate tourists natin. So, may mga private investors na rin tayo doon. So, at least 4 na villa yon. So, at least may mga nagko-confirm na rin na they will want to. Kasi there will be a partnership between a private at ang Barangay Poblacion. So,
yes, sir.
But still, we are looking for other investors like although yung tourism, sinasabi nila they could also give finance for the hotel. Pero if may mga private investors tayo, I think mas maganda para at least naman mas madali siguro, and then partnership na lang gawin natin together with the private. Andyan naman yung siyempre ang government natin, yan naman ang dapat gawin ng mga LGU.
Yes, sir.
Siyempre to coordinate with the possible investors para doon sa area magkaroon ng economic development. So, etong Amianan Tourism Village na proyekto ng Barangay Poblacion, of course, with the support of the LGU and of course, our governor na si Ma'am Amy na magiging senator na. So, I think this would a great help in the tourism industry. Kaya, hopefully, yung big dream ng Barangay Poblacion, unti-unti na matutupad. Yes naman. Siyempre, yung LGU naman is siya naman ang ma-partner natin. And then, siyempre sila rin tinitignan nila yung mga areas, lalo na yung mga tourist destinations ng Burgos for the development. Kasi doon sa konsepto ng project na to, Amianan Village, bale magkap ng mga tourism circuit o siyempre lahat ng mga tourist destinations ng Burgos, mapupunta ng mga turista. And then, the Amianan Tourism Village and Community Center, siya na naman yung pupunta ng mga turista. Let's say, pag may hotel na dyan, may mga villas na din. They will be staying in Burgos for a night or for 2 nights bago sila punta ng Pagudpud. So, malaking bagay yun na mag-create ng tourist traffic.
Kumbaga sir, nagtutulungan kayo sa north ng province.
Yes, kasi with the support of the province din, sa tourism din natin, yun nga, meron tayong award noon last year.
Yes, sir.
Kasi tayong Barangay Poblacion daw, siyempre itong project na to daw, which could help na din yung tourism industry ng province. So ayun, naka-receive tayo ng award from the provincial government na ang barangay kaya rin pala na makapag-request or makagawa ng mga project, makapag-isip ng mga project na hindi lang pang-barangay na project, which is also itong project na to that could help the entire municipality of Burgos
And
Yun
the
ang
province.
and the province.
Na matatapos yung Amianan Villas, sir.
Well, syempre ito, it's a long-range project
Yes.
kasi there's a lot of buildings to be constructed. Ito lang to story commercial building natin. Siguro it takes, according to our contractor,
Yes.
it will takes 8 to 10 months. So meaning to say, talaga na we have
Mga next year na.
we have to allocate time for the whole project siguro. Kung tuloy-tuloy yung funding, siguro naman pwede siguro masabi natin na 3 to 4 years, parang ganun. So,
Yes,
to be
sir.
safe, kasi alam naman natin, like yung andyan na yung, na-approve na yung punto from the KIESA,
Opo, oo.
but there's still process pa na gagawin. Para kasi may sulat na sila sa amin na we'll be submitting the detailed engineer, lahat na. So, hopefully, by this June,
Yes.
submit na kami ng mga detailed plans na prepare ng engineering natin. May pro-process na rin yung pundo para may-start na rin yung other parts of
Please, sir.
Okay, so ito naman it's an opportunity to have this, to be part of this vlog.
Yes,
Siyempre, alam natin na the province of Ilocos Norte now one of the best destination
Yes,
in the Philippines, at kasama ang municipality of Burgos na dinadayo ng mga turista. So I'm inviting you to watch this vlog. So, para naman makita nyo kung ano nakikita nyo sa province of Ilocos Norte, particularly in the north.
Opo.
Kaya yun, come and visit the province of Ilocos Norte as well as go north para naman makita natin kung anong meron dito sa northern part of the province of Ilocos Norte.